Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Daily Commodity. So today's topic is what is canola as a commodity? What are the main uses of canola? Top 5 countries which produces canola, and what are the factors which affects the prices of canola, and which is the season which is suitable for canola. Let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications from Daily Commodity. So let us begin. What is commodity and canola? Canola basically refers to an edible oil which recently is used to produce the biodiesel. The biggest producer of canola seeds are European Union, Canada, China, India and Australia. Why is canola so valuable? Canola is a crop grown primarily for its seeds, which can be crushed to produce the canola oil and canola meal. Canola oil is one of the most versatile cooking oil and has a healthy alternative to oil with a higher saturated fat content. Canola meal is a staple in animal feed. This two product makes canola as an important global commodity. How is canola produced? Canola is a member of Brassica family of crop which includes broccoli, cabbage, mustard, cauliflower and radish. The ideal habit for growing canola is a grain farm with the rainfall zone between 450 and 700 millimeter, although never varieties of the crop has been grown in the dry climate. The crop has a similar profile of wheat and farmers often rotate between the wheat and canola. The seasons for canola are: the canola crop can be planted in spring or winter. Spring canola grows in the colder northern climate such as US plain states and Canada. The crop is planted in the rows in the month of March and harvested in between the March of September to October. Canola is considered as a hardy crop that adapts well as variations in the temperature. Now let us know which are the top 5 countries which produces canola. Canada is the world's largest single country to produce the canola. It produces more than 25% of the global supply of canola and leads the world in export. The European Union also produces a significant amount of canola. Now, which are the top 5 countries which produces canola? The 5 countries include Canada, China, India, Germany, France. As I said you earlier, Canada is the biggest producer of canola. So it produces about 15,500,000 metric tons of canola. The second country is China, which produces about 14,700,000 of metric tons of canola. The third country is India, which produces about 7,800,000 of metric tons of canola. The fourth country is Germany, which produces about 6,250,000 of metric tons of canola. And the last country is France, which produces about 5,500,000 of metric tons of canola. Canola production has rose sharply since the crop introduction. Growth demand for the vegetable oil in India and China has contributed to this demand, as growing demand for the canola in biofuel. The US, China, Japan, Mexico and Pakistan are the largest consumer of canola. So now let us know what are the uses of canola. Canola is used in canola oil, which is preferable for the nutritional profile, which makes the canola a popular choice for sorting, frying and baking for many food products. The second use of the canola is in canola meal, which remains after the oil extraction and can be crushed and prepared as an animal feed for the poultry, pig, and cattle. The third basic use is non-food ingredients. Apart from the food products, the canola is also used in the non-food products. Canola is used in the following non-food products such as biodiesel, printing inks, cosmetics, toothpaste, and many more. So now let us know what are the factors which drives the canola prices. So basically there are 6 factors which drives the prices of canola. First is Canadian market, the second is US dollar, the third is emerging market demand, fourth is substitution, fifth is biofuel demand, and the sixth is health news. So the first, Canadian market. Canada produces the large share of the global supply of the canola, as I said earlier. So the event in the country can have an important effect on the prices. Extremely cold or the warm temperature can affect the crop production. Also, the decision about allocation of the crop production can impact the prices. If the farmer believes that the price prospects for the wheat is higher as compared to the canola, then they will go for the more wheat, which will affect the production of the canola prices, and so as the prices of the canola, this could send the prices higher. The second is US dollar. The US currency is the world's reserve currency. As a result, canola and other commodities are quoted in the US dollars. Canola grower receives fewer dollar for their crop when the US currency is strong and more dollars when the currency is weak. The third is emerging market demand. Emerging market demand for the countries like China, Mexico, Pakistan import significant amount of canola oil, and consumption has been gradually growing over the years. As this country expands, the demand for the agriculture commodity will grow. Increasing wealth will also likely mean increase in the consumption of the meat. Since canola is used to produce the livestock feed, this should be boost price for the commodity. On the other hand, a global recession or severe emerging market slowdown could limit the demand. The fourth one is substitution. Oil produced from the canola meal competes with many other meal meal which includes castor oil, soybean oil, cottonseed oil. The demand for these meals will fluctuate mostly based on the price and the availability. Perception about the health benefit could also impact the relative demand for the different oil and oil meals. The fifth factor is biofuel demand. The demand for the biofuel has contributed strongly to demand for the canola. The European Union has not been able to produce enough canola for its biodiesel needs that and imports crop from the Russia and Ukraine. The two countries has a major effect as as the more consumer turns to biofuel, supply may not be able to pace the demand. The sixth is health news. Canola grower knows the many benefits of the canola oil, like consumption includes its low saturated fat and high omega fat profile. They call it as the world's healthiest cooking oil. However, the canola oil has its own controversy. Some health experts wants the canola oil is a really modified oil as it contains the harmful substances and acids which may cause the heart damage. In addition, around 90% of the global canola crop is genetically modified, and many scientists believe that consuming genetically modified product can cause diseases. As more information becomes known about the positive and negative health effect of canola, consumption pattern may change. So this was the factors which affects the canola prices in the world market. So If you like the video, please do like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.